Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to unbox the special product actually, and this is the gaming product also. Yeah, now we are going to unbox the Redgear gamepad, guys. Actually, I purchased this gamepad at Big Billion Day sale at cost of rupees 1300 rupees. Actually, it's not 1300, 1299 in Indian rupee. For my Me TV, I purchased this gamepad for playing games. Okay, that's now time to unbox it up. Let's come on. Okay, time to remove the tapes. The tapes is very strong, guys, actually. Okay, we are going to unbox it up, and here you can see, guys, here is the Redgear. Let's keep this box aside, and here you can see, guys, here is the gamepad, Redgear Pro series. Actually, this is the wireless gamepad, and in this same series there is a wired gamepad is also there in Redgear, and it's 200 rupees. It's a bit cheaper, I think so, while comparing this product, wireless product. And here you can see there is all kind of buttons for there. Okay, wireless gaming Pro series. Okay guys, we need to tear this sticker tape. We need to open this tape. So come on. Okay, finally I have removed tapes. Oh, there's a two-side tapes is also there. I need to remove it up. Okay, finally I have removed tapes in all sides. Now time to unbox the Redgear gamepad. Okay, here is the gamepad, guys, Redgear gamepad. Let's keep this box aside, and here you can see they are given some instructions. I think here you can see the back LT, LB, turbo, LS, D-pad, LED indicator, reset button, home, start. Okay, here is the different kinds of key buttons they have given, and mode and LED indicator input. Okay, this is applicable for Windows PC XP. Currently this is supporting in Android TV too in my Me TV, and this is direct input. Okay, but I have not tested whether it is supporting for my Me TV. I need to test. Currently it will get support Windows XP 7, 8, 8.1, 10. Okay, there is a driver also. Okay, there is no need driver on X input mode except Windows XP. Okay, let's here is the operating instructions. First we need to power on, off, sleep mode, power on home button to start gamepad, press power off, press back. Okay, here is the back, here is the home. Okay, to power on. Sleep mode, it will automatically get sleep mode if there is no activity for 5 minutes means. Okay, mode switch, hold the home button key for 5 seconds to switch the mode between X input and directional input. Charge indicator, no battery, LED indicator XP, backlight, okay, or off, low battery, the lights flashing, charging, the LED indicator flash slowly. Okay, full, if gamepad in sleep mode, the indicator will be off, and on operation the indicator shows the current mode. Okay guys, there is a different kinds of options are there and switches are there. Okay, this will be useful while pairing with the laptop or TV too. This is the user manual, 2.4G. It's a wireless gamepad. Okay, Here is the receiver. Here you can see the receiver for this gamepad. Here is the receiver. Okay, here is the gamepad, guys, and inside this they have given, what is this? I think we need to connect it here too. I think they have provided another one. We can see at the time of setup what is it both. Let's first we can take this cable out, and here is the receiver. Okay, for charging, we need to connect it here, I think so. Okay, it's fixing. Okay, likewise we need to put charge. We need to plug this into a power source adapter for charging, and this is the built-in battery, guys. Inbuilt battery. There is no external battery involved. And one is receiver and another one is also receiver. I think they have provided both. Okay, let's at the time of setup we can see what is it, another one. And okay, guys, just after that, regarding this, that's all. I think we have did a complete unboxing. And okay, guys, here is the Redgear gamepad. Okay, let's in next video I will upload the complete setup. I need to test this gamepad with my Mi TV. If it is bad and working fine, means it's really awesome, guys. In every day I'm going to play games only in my Mi TV. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any queries or doubt, means just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. Okay, in next video I will do a complete setup by pairing this gamepad with my Mi TV. We can see. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you have any queries or doubts, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And okay, guys, bye. We can see in next video.